What's good, peoples? Rob, Merc City, y'all already know what it is. Doing another print. As you can see, I done did a few failed prints. I always like to do a few prints before I just go ahead and go after it. And as you can see, I was trying to get the margins right on it. I could have got it right. I'm nearly at the edge. I mean, literally at the edge right there, as you can see. But I think it's gonna be good. I will be printing it. This is how it looks. This is just a miniature size of it. Now, of course, it's a knockout, so of course the black is going to go behind it, so you'll see it'll be a lot better. It'll look a lot better than this. But I want to show y'all the process of it, of course. And of course, you know, and we do the 3D prints now. Of course, this is like a pencil pen holder for the most part, but I did them in different colors too. But we do it all, man. Got it all here, man. If y'all need logos, pictures, portraits, anything like that, pretty much we can do them. Go to the merccityshop.com. You can place an order or customs. We're actually doing the work on right now as far as for you to upload your custom logos or any pictures that you would like for us to print, so we can get that out the way. But as of right now, if y'all do need to get logos done, just send it to the Gmail, either Gmail, even the Archive Nation Gmail. You can send, or just hit me up, and then I should be able to knock it out for y'all. But I want to show y'all the process. Of course, I'm gonna put this on the Crewneck sweater, and I'm gonna show y'all the process from the beginning. Obviously, y'all can see it being printed, and had to work on it on the software. This is it too, as well, as you can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the process of it. Show y'all the finished product. I'm gonna cook it. Obviously, put it in the oven, and just pretty much go from there, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Rob. Hey. Well, let me go ahead and put this up too. I did this for my boy Turk. All right. Roster World Order, as you can see. That's the front part. It's a hoodie. So y'all can actually see it. It's a hoodie. And I did the pants as well. This is his logo. I mean, this is what he wanted. He actually gave me the picture of it, and I wound up putting it on the pants leg, on the jogger. Let me show you the back of this as well, because we did some prints on the back as well, which is the same logo that was on the jogger that's on the back of the sweater here, or the back of the hoodie here. We are the world is yours. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and knock that out for him, or we'll be sending this to him. That's one of the prints, one of many prints that we've been doing for the most part. So I appreciate everybody that's putting in the orders. Definitely well appreciated. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the beginning to the end process of this, because I've been trying to, I actually got a few videos that I've done, actually the beginning to the end. I just haven't put it together, but I might just put all these clips together in one video. May not. But either way, like I said, I want to show y'all the whole beginning and the end process, and let y'all know if if this Lancelot. Look, I ain't gonna say and let y'all know the Lancelot printer is hands down to me. I mean, it has not steered me wrong for the most part. And I've been looking at DTF printers for the last 2.5 years, and I've been seeing pretty much all of them, especially in the $3,000 to $4,000 range, and even the ones that's almost near 10,000, like the X2 one. But I will say this one, I love it. Again, when you getting into DTF printing, there is a few trials and tribulations when it comes down to it. Once you learn it, look at a few videos, it's pretty much I ain't gonna say simple, but you get a hang of it. Canva and other softwares, Kittle. I've been messing with these things for so many years, especially Canva. Kittle, I just got onto Kittle about 2.5 years ago. But when it comes to like designing, digital designing, art design, I've been doing this for years. So I can honestly say that I ain't gonna say a super pro at it, but I can't say I'm not either for the most part. But this is the first time me putting it on t-shirts, obviously sweaters, and hoodies, and joggers and stuff like that. All right, here we go. It's finished. It is done. This is the most careful part. Now they have these brackets here on each side. I'm not sure if you can see this one here in particular. And then there's another one that's on that side as well. It's not on that side. It's actually right here. But I'm gonna put it on here so it can make an even cut, because it cuts by itself with this thing here. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this. Bring that down a little bit more so it can cut. Also be extra careful because you don't want to mess up the print because it's wet. right here. So I'm gonna put this bracket on. And once I put this bracket on, I'm gonna go ahead and heat press it. Go from there. I'm gonna press the shirt first, obviously get all the moisture out of it, take all the lint off of it with the lint roller, and go ahead and press it. All right, so we just finished the transfer. Don't mind that fan. Turn that off. The fan is to keep the transfer in place so when it cuts, it won't flop around so much. So that's what that sound was. Check those. Well, so now what we're gonna do is, here we go. So I got the DTF powder. So we're gonna put the DTF powder on there, put it into the oven, let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now I've already done one already. And this is pretty much, I want to show you how it looks. This is pretty much how it will look. Now, it's a knockout effect, so it's gonna go into the black. So obviously all the areas that's missing, you'll see it, you'll obviously see the color of the black on the shirt to replace it. So it'll look good. Trust me, it'll look good. But what we're gonna do with this one, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and put some DTF powder on it. So while I do that, I already have this, I already kind of pressed it, took a lot of the moisture out of it already, and I already took the lint roller on it. So it is ready to print. This is the small copy of it. I'm gonna do that. All right, so I got the transfer right here. Got the powder on it already, nice and coated. Now I'm gonna put this into the oven. Now usually with bigger prints like this, it takes more than 2 minutes. Put the timer on. The timer goes for 2 minutes. And I have it at 125, if I'm not mistaken, degrees. And so with that being said, bigger prints take a little bit longer. So usually I would have to kind of like rotate it. So I got it on, obviously I got it laying straight across, but I'm gonna probably take it out another 2 minutes and then turn it around and then let it cure another way. Cure on the other side, let me say that. So the pipe, that is actually, it's an airflow. So the middle of the print itself takes a little bit longer to cure. So with that being said, I always have to rotate it when they're bigger prints. And this is gonna be the sweater right here. It's a crew neck, as you can see. It's a large crew neck with the rip away tags, the gilding tags. And what I like to do, put this over here so it won't fall. Hopefully I can see everything. I think I should be able to see everything. My studio is a mess over here, but I'm gonna get it together next time when y'all see this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna press it on the, obviously we're gonna press the transfer onto the front part of this garment. So we'll go ahead and do this too as well. It's kind of sticky already. Should use this one. Go ahead and throw this out again. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and take out all that lint. It's not much lint. I just bought this today, so it shouldn't be too much of any lint on here. But, you know, still want to take some of this stuff off. All right. Now, I'm going to press it. And then you don't have to do a hard, like, you don't even have to clamp it down for the most part. You just have to just put it on there. Just hold it for a couple of seconds. So I'd say about 5 seconds for the most part. Boom. Takes all that out. Transfer is supposedly done. Let's see. Man. Now I'm telling you, you know what? And it will make sense. So obviously, same thing with the oven. The oven, when you turn it on, even when it gets to its max peak, because like on mine, when you turn it on, it takes a few minutes before it gets to like 120, 125, and then when it does, it makes a beep, kind of letting you know it's ready. But I realized that it's really not ready at that point, because even if you put a transfer in there, especially as big as this, usually it would take a lot longer. But I realized by having it on for about, after it makes that initial beep, and let's just say we wait another 5 more minutes, it's at its true capacity. Like it's at a point where it's heated up everywhere. Because this is the second time in a row where usually I would have to rotate this particular transfer because it's big, but it's been on for a while now, and I could tell that by it being on for a while, just by the 2 minutes that it recommends, it does work. I mean, it's all, I mean, I don't have to put it back in there. All right, so this one Man, this one is perfect. I'm gonna press this one more again, just in case, just to get any more moisture out. And the Crewneck is a little bit easier because it doesn't have the hoodie that's going to be back there. And if you are pressing hoodies, you can actually flip it upside down and just make it more easier. You just have to kind of measure it. Now, I didn't clamp it down. I just wanted to get the moisture out of it. Now, I think it's nice and ready. Now I'm getting to the point where I really don't need these, but I still like to be careful with it. And then I did see there's another YouTuber that I forgot his name. Oh man, I do want to give him some shout outs because they have some good tutorials. I forgot the name. If I do think of the name, I'm gonna put them on there as far as the people that I've been looking at as well. But they have like a laser where you can pretty much you'll see the laser and they got like the cross, you know, and you can actually pinpoint certain things instead of just using the actual ruler. Which again, I think any one of them is good. But I truly, I like the laser. I like that being on point, and I can just connect it, I believe, onto the top here, and then or at least to the metal part, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, because it got like a magnetic piece to it. All right, so here we go. All right, they always say 4 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Or it could be like, that's about 3 inches actually, just 4 fingers from the collar on down. Now I will say the small, like the bigger parts, like the Merc City part, is not a problem because it's a big part. The part that could be a problem is this part where it got the smaller letters on it, so you always want to be kind of careful with that. Definitely want to press it, and obviously don't want this to move. So we're going to press it twice because it's a big press, it's a big print. All right, get that right there. Like I said, normally I will put tape on it, but we're going to press it twice. So we're going to press obviously the top part, then we're going to press this bottom part, especially with those small little words, and pretty much go from there. See how it goes. So now we have the top. We'll be careful. Get it like that. Hold it like that. So, you know, you want that transfer to go deep into the garment. So now we got that pressed. All right. Which I think. Now, of course, this is not a hot pill. I wish it was. In the next film I get, after that one runs out, will be a hot pill because I definitely it's just way quicker process. But nevertheless, you can always use a little rag. They got like a cool block, and I think Pro Colored sells those if I'm not mistaken. Also, I do have got this from DTF Power. This is like this is the Ultra Sheet, if I'm not mistaken, and it kind of gives it texture, gives it a little bit, and it actually push it more into the garment as far as the DTF print itself. So right here for right now. So, and then of course I have a Teflon sheet here, and I actually got one at the bottom, which doesn't make any damn sense. But I had 2 of them, so I just didn't want to waste it, so I just put one at the bottom and one at the top. And this one actually, I mean, after pressing it with different sheets and stuff like that, I actually like this one by itself. If you press it, you probably have to press it like 3 times, but it actually, you can see it adheres into the garment. But I do like this, and it is a difference because you can actually see it. It looks more like I ain't gonna say DTF print, more like a screen print when you use this. It just, to me, it just embeds into the garment a lot more. All right, here we go. As I say, peel towards you instead of up. Oh, I just say nothing on the film. All right, what y'all think? Y'all probably can't see it, but y'all probably can see it better this way. Let me see if y'all can see it on here. Hopefully y'all can see it. But that's it. That's it. I mean, it's that simple. And it looks great. Now again, I will hit it again. There's that one little piece right there that, I mean, it's sticking, but I will still hit it again. And they will always say hit it again anyways, because they got like that glossy feel to it. So what I like to do, this is when I would use the Ultra Sheet, and this is from DTF Powers. If I'm saying it right now, I'm gonna do it twice. I mean, I guess I could do it the long way, like this too. But I think I'm gonna do it twice. I'm just do it this way. And I'll hit the top part first and then the bottom part afterwards. Right. Take this off. And you can definitely see the imprint on it already. You can see the steam coming out of that mug. Do the same thing on this side. Boom. And that's what I do like about this, the tray part, that you could bring it towards you. Like the one that I was gonna get before, you couldn't pull it out like that. Boom. So now we good on that. Now, I will say, I mean, it looks like it's part of the garment itself. And again, I'm not sure, hopefully y'all can see it. But I almost burnt myself there. But as you can see, I mean, it's really into the garment. Let me see if I can bring this closer. So y'all can see it. So y'all can see it. And you can see it's into the fabric. Trying to make it zoom in. And it's a knockout effect or a blackout. Where as you can see, I'm using the shirt as the blackout or as a black. Let me put this up more. Basically, on the crew neck. And now I got them on sweaters too as well. And I'm gonna put some pictures of it as well. And like I said, this is the tearaway tag. And I put your, you can put your own tag on there. Now with this, like I said, it's kind of like that fleece type of feel to it. So you might want to have something a little bit thicker, pause, but something that obviously that you can, the Merc City part will come out pretty good, but the small little parts will be kind of tricky. So you might want to make them a little bit thicker when it comes to the neck tags. But other than that, man, I mean, it looks good. It looks pretty good, man. It looks really good. Let me know what y'all think, man. Come join this journey, with me. Being a music producer, rapper, now designer. Join the page too. It's the new page that we got coming. Well, I ain't gonna say it's coming, it's here. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch of designs. So y'all gonna see me in action all the time. So with that being said, join the page. It's your boy Brob, Merc City, custom apparel. If y'all need customs, let me know. We doing them all the time, man. Let's get it.